Hello everyone. Welcome back to the Note Said 24 channel. Today we will do shadowing practice together. Shadowing means listening and repeating sentences aloud. It helps you speak English more clearly. It helps you remember words and sentences easily. It also helps improve your pronunciation. Shadowing is fun and easy for beginners. In this video, you will learn simple English sentences for at a pharmacy. We will practice at a pharmacy actions using easy and clear English. Each sentence is short and easy to repeat. Try to say each sentence aloud with me. Don't worry if you make mistakes. Keep practicing and you will improve very fast. But I have one important request for you. Please don't skip any part of this video because every part is important. You need to build your foundation first. Just like building a house, you start from the bottom. Give me your full attention for the next few minutes because today is the day your English speaking changes. Are you ready to start this journey with me? Are you ready to practice 50+ sentences? Are you ready to become a confident English speaker? All right, welcome and let's start learning English and enjoy it. I go to the pharmacy. I go to the pharmacy. I stand in line. I stand in line. I look around the store. I look around the store. I see many medicines. I see many medicines. I wait for my turn. I wait for my turn. The pharmacist calls me. The pharmacist calls me. I walk to the counter. I walk to the counter. I say hello. I say hello. I give my prescription. I give my prescription. The pharmacist reads it. The pharmacist reads it. He checks the medicine. He checks the medicine. He asks my name. He asks my name. I tell my name. I tell my name. He types on the computer. He types on the computer. I wait quietly. I wait quietly. I look at the shelves. I look at the shelves. I see vitamins. I see vitamins. I see cough syrup. I see cough syrup. I feel a little sick. I feel a little sick. I touch my head. I touch my head. The pharmacist brings my medicine. The pharmacist brings my medicine. He shows the box. He shows the box. He explains the medicine. He explains the medicine. He speaks slowly. He speaks slowly. I listen carefully. I listen carefully. He says to take it daily. He says to take it daily. He says to take it after food. He says to take it after food. I ask a question. I ask a question. He gives a simple answer. He gives a simple answer. I understand him. I understand him. He gives me a bill. He gives me a bill. I check the price. I check the price. I take out money. I take out money. I pay the bill. I pay the bill. He gives me change. He gives me change. I take the medicine bag. I take the medicine bag. I say thank you. I say thank you. He smiles at me. He smiles at me. I feel better now. I feel better now. I walk to the door. I walk to the door. I open the door. I open the door. I leave the pharmacy. I leave the pharmacy. I go back home. I go back home. I sit on my bed. I sit on my bed. I read the label. I read the label. I follow the instructions. I follow the instructions. I take the medicine. I take the medicine. I drink some water. I drink some water. I rest for a while. I rest for a while. I hope to feel well soon. I hope to feel well soon. Great job today. You did an amazing job with shadowing. Keep practicing every day. Read slowly first, then try faster. Shadowing helps you speak English clearly. It also helps you remember words and sentences. Don't worry about mistakes. Practice makes you better every day. Try shadowing with your friends or family too. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, share, and subscribe to NoteSaid24 channel. Share this video with your friends. See you in the next lesson. Bye!